Plant FAQs, Philodendron Golden Dragon. Philodendron Golden Dragon, a guide for plant enthusiasts. Hi, Philodendron here. Today we're diving into the world of the Philodendron Golden Dragon, a stunning variegated climber that's become a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts. This guide will answer your burning questions about this beauty, from care tips to its place in the Philodendron family. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What is a Philodendron Golden Dragon? The Philodendron Golden Dragon is a climbing aroid, known for its heart-shaped, glossy leaves splashed with vibrant variegation. The green base gives way to streaks and patches of creamy white and yellow, creating a truly eye-catching display. Is Philodendron Golden Dragon easy to care for? The Golden Dragon thrives with moderate care. Here's what it needs to flourish. Light, bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water deeply when the top inch of soil dries out. Don't let it sit in soggy soil, as this can lead to root rot. Humidity, moderate to high humidity, around 60%, is preferred. Grouping plants together or using a humidifier can help. Soil, a well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroid mix or a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark works well. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize with a balanced, diluted liquid fertilizer once a month. How big does it get? In ideal conditions, the Philodendron Golden Dragon can climb several feet. Providing a moss pole or trellis will encourage upwards growth and create a dramatic cascading effect. Both the Golden Dragon and the Philodendron Brazil are stunning variegated philodendrons, but they have some key differences. Variegation. The Golden Dragon has bolder, more contrasting variegation with white, yellow, and green. Brazil boasts lime green and chartreuse variegation on a darker green base. Leaf shape. Golden Dragon has classic heart-shaped leaves, while Brazil has slightly elongated, oval-shaped leaves. Growth habit. Golden Dragon is a climber, while Brazil is more of a trailing or cascading plant. Ultimately, the choice depends on your preference. The Golden Dragon offers a bolder aesthetic and climbing potential, while Brazil provides a lush, cascading foliage display. Philodendron Golden Dragon versus Philodendron Birkin. Another lookalike is the Philodendron Birkin, known for its elegant, pinstripe variegation. Here's a breakdown. Variegation. Golden Dragon boasts bolder, blocky variegation. Birkin features a more subtle, pinstripe pattern of white variegation on a darker green base. Leaf shape. Both have heart-shaped leaves, but Golden Dragon's leaves are slightly wider. Growth habit. Both are climbers. The Golden Dragon offers a showier variegation, while Birkin provides a more understated elegance. Philodendron Golden Dragon versus Lime Fiddle. The Philodendron Lime Fiddle exhibits sizable leaves adorned with a diverse array of hues, and these leaves possess a lustrous sheen. In contrast, the Golden Dragon variant features heart-shaped leaves characterized by a comparatively less glossy texture, distinguishing it from the Philodendron Lime Fiddle. Where can I buy a Philodendron Golden Dragon? These beauties can be found in plant stores specializing in rare varieties or online retailers. Be prepared for a slightly higher price tag due to their unique foliage. Additional tips. Regularly rotate your plant for even growth. Wipe leaves gently with a damp cloth to remove dust and encourage new growth. Be mindful of pests like mealybugs and scale. Treat them promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Final thoughts. The Philodendron Golden Dragon is a captivating plant that adds a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. With proper care, this vibrant climber will reward you with lush foliage for years to come. Happy planting!